Okay. Okay. And it has been raining since morning. सुबह से वर्षा हो रही है. मतलब सुबह से स्टार्ट हुआ है, अभी तक पानी गिर ही रहा है, फिनिश नहीं हुआ है. इट हैज बीन रनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग.
प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू टेंस.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. मतलब जो सुबह से काम हो रहा है, जो पहले से स्टार्ट हुआ है और अभी तक खत्म भी नहीं हुआ है, वो परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस होता है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके. यस. नेक्स्ट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पावनी. हेलो. ओके, थैंक यू मौलश्री. यस पावनी.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. We talked you yesterday. This is in which tense?
We talked to.
We talked yesterday.
Present continuous tense.
No, talked. TALKED. We talked. Continuous में तो ing लगता है हमेशा.
Talked. Present simple tense.
No, talked. Second form is used here. Second form
I
is
don't
past simple. Okay. Now I will meet you tomorrow. This is in which tense?
Future continuous tense.
हाँ, continuous में तो ing रहता है. अभी
Future
बताया ना
simple
हमेशा.
tense.
Yeah, future simple tense. Okay. I have been playing football since 5 o'clock. This is in which tense?
Past perfect continuous tense.
Yes, very good. Next now, we will be going to Bilaspur tomorrow. We will be going. देखो going लगा हुआ है, will be लगा हुआ है. Which tense?
Future
We will
continuous
go.
tense.
Future continuous tense. Okay, very good. And after that, I speak Chhattisgarhi at my home.
Present simple
Speak.
tense.
Very good. Present simple tense. Yes. So in this way you have recognized. Okay, good. Now I'm going to another student. Kriti. Hello, Kriti.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, I'm telling sentence. You have to recognize it. Okay, we are
Yes,
learning English. We are learning English. This is in which tense? Are learning.
continuous tense.
Very good. I'm going to Bilaspur. This is in which tense?
Present continuous tense.
Okay, very good. I have completed my work on time. Have completed.
Present perfect tense.
Yes, very good. Yes. And yeah, I have been watching TV for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रही हूँ. I have been watching TV for 2 hours.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Very good. Yes. We will be watching TV on this time tomorrow.
Will be.
We will be watching. ing भी लगा है, will भी लगा है. So this is in which tense? Will be watching.
Future continuous tense.
Okay, very good. Yeah, future continuous tense. Okay. Now I will talk to Adarsh. Now it's turns of Adarsh. Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We are completing our copy.
We have ki her.
We are completing our copy.
Present continuous tense.
Yes. And she was going to Bilaspur yesterday. She was
He was
going to
past
Bilaspur. Was
continuous tense. Past
very
continuous
good.
tense.
You are speaking English in the school. You were speaking English.
Present continuous tense.
वर मतलब थे, आप बोल रहे थे, इसमें पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस.
सर मेरे को
कंटिन्यूअस.
आर सुनाई दिया इसलिए बोल रहा था.
Okay, we were. Okay. Next now, I have been talking to you since 1 o'clock. मैं आपसे 1 बजे से बात कर रहा हूँ. I have been talking to you.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Okay, very good. Now, okay. In this way, you have to recognize. Okay, very good. Now, it's a chance of now Arab Sharma. Arab, hello, how are you?
I am
Yes,
fine,
Arab.
sir, and you?
Okay, fine. So now it's your turn. Okay, I get up early in the morning. This is in which tense? I get up.
Sir, perfect tense.
No, I get up जितने भी हम रोज काम करते हैं ना, वो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में होता है. जैसे मैं रोज सुबह उठता हूँ, उसके बाद रोज,
Stand.
यार, I brush up my teeth. This is in which tense?
Present simple tense.
Yes, I take dinner at 2 o'clock. मैं 2 बजे डिनर लेता, sorry, I take lunch at 2 o'clock.
Present simple tense.
Yes, very good. And I play with my father every day.
Present simple tense.
Very good. I attend online class every day in the evening.
Present simple tense.
I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later.
Future tense.
Future simple tense. Future simple tense. Future simple tense. Will लगा हुआ है. I will. And I will give you chocolate.
Oh.
I will give you chocolate.
Present simple tense.
Future simple tense. Will लगाना. Will means future. जहाँ will
Present
सुनोगे.
simple tense.
Future simple tense. Future simple tense. Okay. I will brush up my teeth after taking dinner.
Present simple tense, sir.
Future simple. Future. Will means हमेशा future. Future means मैं करूँगा. Future simple tense. Future simple tense. We will play tomorrow. We will play tomorrow. This is in which tense?
Sir?
Yes. We will play tomorrow. We will play tomorrow.
Present
कल हम
simple
खेलेंगे.
tense.
Present
नहीं,
नहीं.
future simple tense.
Yeah, future simple tense. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, okay, your chance is also over. Now everyone's chance is over. Okay. Okay, and so now you have to change into tense. मैं आप लोग को अब टेंस चेंज करने के लिए दो एक एक पूछ रहा हूँ. दो एक एक ओके. Yeah, Sanvi, now your chance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to Bilaspur. Change into past continuous tense.
I will. Sir, I am going to Bilaspur. I have to convert into which tense?
Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense. Yes, sir. I gone to Bilaspur. I going to Bilaspur. I going.
No, I
I
was
go-
going to Bilaspur. देखो, past means
I-
was were. भाई केवल एम की जगह पे आपको वॉज लगा देना था, ठीक है। आई वॉज
Yes.
गोइंग टू ओके। I speak English very fluently. Change into past indefinite tense, past simple tense. I speak
Ye-
English very fluently. I
I
speak English.
I spoke English very fluently.
Yes, very good. I will go to Bilaspur tomorrow. Change into past continuous tense.
I sub
I will go to Bilaspur. Change into
I will
past
go to
continuous tense.
um I I were I were going to Bilaspur. I were going to Bilaspur.
I was going to Bilaspur. I was going to Bilaspur. Okay.
Sir,
So
but
in this
in I
I
there
के
will
साथ तो
be were or was.
I के साथ तो was लगता है ना with I was okay. I was talking to you. I was playing in the garden like this. Okay.
Yes.
I planted a tree. Change into past perfect tense.
I had planted a tree. I had planted a tree.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to another student. Is your brother there?
Yes,
No. Okay, I will give him chance
sir,
later on.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. I went to Bilaspur yesterday. Change into past perfect tense.
Past perfect tense. I went to Bilaspur. To past perfect. I had went.
I had gone to Bilaspur. Had plus verb in the
I
third form.
had went.
I
I
had
had
no.
went to
I had gone to Bilaspur. Had plus verb in the third form. To go went gone. I had Bilaspur.
I
Okay.
Bilaspur. Okay.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Change into past perfect continuous tense.
I was talking to you.
Yes, very good. The birds fly in the sky. Change into past perfect continuous tense.
The birds had flown in sky.
Okay, very good. Yes, your chance is over. Thank you. Next now. Yeah, Maulsri Pandey, your chance now.
Excuse me,
Hello,
sir.
Maulsri. Yes.
Sir, my phone charging is so gone.
Oh, tell fast, tell fast. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm speaking English. Change into past continuous tense. I'm speaking English. Change into past continuous tense.
I was speaking English.
Very good. I went to school yesterday. Change into present simple tense.
Sir, I go to school. I go to school.
I go to school today.
Excuse
Very
me,
good.
sir.
Next. 1 minute. 1 minute. Arab. 1 minute. Okay. And after that, it has been raining since morning. Change into present continuous tense.
It is raining.
Very good. It is raining. Very good. And we are talking to each other. Change into past continuous tense. We are talking to each other. Change into past continuous tense.
So my phone network is over.
Okay, no problem.
I was talking to.
I was talking to you. Okay, thank you, Molsri. Next now. Yes.
Sir, I
Pawnee,
leave.
what are, yes, leave,
Sir, I
leave.
leave.
Yes. Okay, okay. Yes. Pawnee,
Yes, sir.
okay. Are you ready? Would you like to tell? Are you okay? I'm speaking English to you. Changing to past continuous tense.
What, sir?
I'm speaking English to you. Changing to past continuous tense.
I was.
I was
Speak
speaking
in.
English. I was
I was
speaking
speak.
English. Very good. Yes. We will play. We will play in 8, 9 up to 9 o'clock. हम लोग 9 बजे तक खेलेंगे. Change into future continuous tense.
Yes, sir. We are playing. We will play. We will be playing 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Very good. We will be playing 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Next now, I speak English fluently. Change into past or continuous tense.
What's the past continuous tense?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Mm. Sir, can you repeat the question?
Uh, okay, I'm giving another sentence. The fan is running. Change into past perfect tense.
Past
The
perfect
fan is
tense.
running.
Uh, the sir, I don't know.
The past perfect tense means the fan had run. Had
Yes, sir.
past perfect. Perfect means have or had. तुरंत दिमाग में रखना है आपको कि perfect means have or had. Or
Repeat the
third
question.
form. Okay. And we will be talking to each other. Change into past continuous tense. We will be talking to each other.
We will be talking to each
To
other.
each other.
We will be. Sir, which tense?
Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense. Yes, sir. We was we will be no, we was
We
talk,
were
talking to
we
you.
were talk, we were talking to each other. है ना, हम एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे थे. We were talking to each other. Okay, so thank you very much. Next now. Okay. So your class, yes, you are facing problem in network, so you may leave the class. Okay.
Yes, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay. You can leave the class now. Okay. Next now, Adarsh. Yes, Adarsh. Now I was writing my skill. Change into past perfect tense.
What, sir? Repeat the question.
I was writing by skill. मैं साइकिल चला रहा था. Change into past perfect tense.
Yes, sir.
Ride, road,
I
ridden. Ride, road, ridden. Ridden is the
past
third form.
perfect.
Yes.
I had ridden
I
to
had
bicycle.
I had
Ridden
ridden by skill.
bicycle.
Yes, very good. We went to Bilaspur yesterday. Change into past perfect tense.
We went to.
Yes. Went is in second form.
We had gone to Bilaspur. We went gone to Bilaspur.
Yes. We had gone to Bilaspur.
Bilaspur.
Okay. Next now, After that, I was talking to you yesterday. Change into present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense.
Yes.
I am talking.
To
I am
you.
talking to you.
Yes, I am talking to you. Next now, we played in the ground. Change into future simple tense.
We will. We will. We will.
We will
Will. We use. We. You shall. You shall play. Play in the
we will
garden.
we will play in the garden. Okay. Next now. Okay, thank you. Next now, Kriti chance.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Kriti. Okay. Okay. I'm talking to you. Change into past perfect tense.
I'm talking past perfect tense. I'm talking. I am. I had talked to you.
Very good. Yes. We ran up to स्कूल. हम लोग कल स्कूल तक दौड़े. चेंज इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस.
Sir, repeat the question.
We ran up to school.
We. Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Next now, I'm drinking water. Change into past perfect tense.
I had drunk
I had
water.
fun. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next now, I drink milk every day. Change into past perfect tense.
I had drunk milk every day.
Okay. Good. Next now, Arab. Now it's Arab chance.
Thank you,
Arab, how
sir.
are you? Okay, thank you. Arab, how are you?
I'm fine,
Are
sir.
you ready? Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I get up early in the morning every day. Change into past perfect tense. Past perfect means past means had plus verb in the third form. मैं रोज सुबह उठता हूँ तो मैं रोज सुबह उठता था. Yes. Arab. I had.
Sir, I don't know.
Oh no.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No problem. Okay. I'm speaking English to you. Change into past continuous tense.
Yes. Present tense, sir.
Hmm?
Present tense.
Present tense. Okay, I'm speaking English to you. This is present continuous tense. Change into past
Yes.
continuous tense. I was speaking to you. Okay. I brush up my teeth. Change into past indefinite tense.
I
मैं रोज
mm,
ब्रश
I brush I
brushed. I brushed up. I brushed up. I go to Bilaspur. I have changed into past indefinite tense. I go to Bilaspur.
went gone.
Yes, so I went to Bilaspur.
I
Yes.
went up.
Yes, I went. I talk to my mama every day. Past indefinite tense. Change into past indefinite tense.
सर नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
I talk to my mama. Change into past indefinite tense.
I talked to my mama.
Very good. Yes. I complete my homework on time. Change into past indefinite tense.
सर इसका समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
I complete my homework on time. Change into past indefinite tense. मैं complete करता हूँ तो मैंने complete किया. That means use second form.
Completed.
Completed. Yes. Complete, completed, completed. So I completed my homework on time. Okay. I play in the morning. Change into past continuous tense.
I played early in the morning.
Yes. Okay. That is the past indefinite. Yes. Okay. That is past indefinite tense. Okay. In this way, you have to learn the formula. And tomorrow, tomorrow test will go on. Tomorrow एक test होगा सब लोगों का जिसमें all of you have to recognize and change into tenses. Okay.
और
आप
हिंदी
लोगों
में
को
सर.
and you have to yeah. So कल एक मतलब टेस्ट होगा जिसमें आप लोग को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. That you have to convert into tenses and you have to recognize the tense and you have to write the formula of that sentence. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Happy. And you will send the paper in group.
In the I will send the paper. I will send the paper either in the assignment or and the time will be given to you. And time will be given to
So like how many time we take in the this class? So
Okay,
it will be also you.
yes, tomorrow from 7 or 7:05, 7:10 like this, half an hour paper will be there and you will be getting
So 7
time,
times.
minutes time. Nearly 30 minutes time you will be getting. Okay? You will be solving the paper in, yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
हिंदी में भी समझाइए ना जो आपने इंग्लिश में बोला था.
What I am saying to you is that मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कल टेस्ट होगा जिसमें आप लोग फार्मूला लर्न कर लेना और आप लोगों को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए बोलूंगा. कन्वर्ट मतलब जैसे प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में दूंगा उसको बोलूंगा पास्ट सिंपल टेंस में चेंज करो या पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज करो या फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस में चेंज करो. तो आपको फार्मूला लर्न रहेगा तभी आप चेंज कर पाओगे. तो अच्छे से लर्न कर लेना फार्मूला. ओके.
क्या
और फार्मूला
है?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Done, sir.
ओके ओके
चेंज करना है
ओके. यस.
सर. क्या चेंज करना है?
जैसे मैं बोलूंगा आई गो टू बिलासपुर एवरी डे, मैं बोलूंगा उसको पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज करो. चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. तो आई हैड गॉन टू बिलासपुर ऐसे चेंज करना पड़ेगा. पास्ट परफेक्ट में बोलूंगा तो पास्ट.
अभी पूछे मेरे को.
यस.
जैसे आप अभी पूछे मेरे को गो वेंट गॉन्ट ये सही यही वाला.
यस.
ऐसे ही वाला उसका तीसरा या दूसरा वाले को बताना है.
यस. तो परफेक्ट में हमेशा तीसरा वाले को बताते हैं. कंटिन्यूअस में वर्ब इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी वाले को बताते हैं. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
ओके. बाय
बाय सर.
everybody.
बाय सर.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Good night.
Sir, bye.